Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, I am Mashaul Moin. Today I will be presenting my assignment on infrastructure as code, focusing on Ansible and Terraform. This is the theoretical part of the assignment. Let's begin. At first I talk about what is Ansible. Ansible is an open source automation and configuration management tool. It is used to manage servers, deploy applications, and automate IT tasks. Ansible uses YAML based playbooks that are easy to read and understand. One of the best features of Ansible is that is agentless, meaning we don't need to install any software on the managed systems. Then, how Ansible works. Ansible works by connecting to remote machines using SSH. The system where Ansible is installed is called the control node. The machines being managed are called managed node. Ansible executes tasks using modules and returns the results back to the control node. This makes automation fast, secure, and efficient. Then I talk about why Ansible. Ansible is popular because it is simple and powerful. It uses YAML, which is easy to learn, even the beginners. It does not require any agent software, which reduces system overhead. Ansible is lightweight, fast, and idempotent, meaning running the same task multiple times gives consistent results. It is widely used for automation and configuration management. Then, the purpose of Ansible. The purpose of Ansible is to automate different IT tasks. It is used for configuration management, such as installing and updating software. It is also used for application deployment and server provisioning. Ansible helps automate repetitive tasks like updates, backups, and system configurations, which saves time and reduces human errors. Then, what is Terraform? Terraform is an infrastructure as code tool deployed by HashiCorp. It is used to provision and manage infrastructure using code. Terraform uses a declarative language where we define the desired state of resources, and Terraform makes it happen. It is commonly used for creating cloud resources like virtual machines and networks. Then, how Terraform works? Terraform works by reading configuration files written with a .tf extension. First, we run the command terraform plan to preview the changes. Then we use terraform apply to create or update the infrastructure. Terraform also keeps track of all resources in a state file called terraform.tfstate, which helps manage infrastructure consistently. Then, why Terraform? Terraform is widely used because it supports multiple cloud providers such as AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. It allows the use of reusable modules to simplify infrastructure creation. Terraform stores infrastructure changes in a state file, which helps maintain consistency. It is highly scalable and suitable for managing large environments. Then, real world use case 1. A real world use case of Ansible and Terraform is cloud infrastructure deployment. Terraform is used to create servers, networks, and security groups in cloud platforms like AWS. After that, Ansible is used to install software such as Nginx and Docker and configure the servers. This allows organizations to automate their entire setup quickly and reliably. Then, real world use case 2. Another real world example is provisioning and Kubernetes cluster. Terraform can be used to create virtual machines and networking resources. Then Ansible installs Kubernetes tools like CubeADM, Kubelet, and kubectl. This makes it easy to set up and scale Kubernetes clusters automatically. Then the last one is summary. To summarize, Ansible is used for configuration management and automation, while Terraform is used for infrastructure provisioning. Together, they make it easier to create scalable, reliable, and automated DevOps environments. Infrastructure as code helps reduce errors and increase deployment speed. Thank you for listening to my presentation. Hello and welcome back. Now I will complete my practical part. Here I need two virtual machine. First one is my control node and second one is my manage node. At first I run my control node. Then I will update my machine by using the command sudo apt update. Then I will give password. Then I install the Ansible. Then I will check the version by typing Ansible version. Okay, then clear it. Then I generate SSH keys to connect to my remote server securely without passwords. Generate a new SSH key pair using the ED25519 algorithms. Okay, press enter. Though the prompt to save the default location and skip the passphrase. Okay, then copy SSH key to remote server. Copy my newly generated public key to the target server. I check it. Then I write yes. I give the password. Okay, now I check my host name, then my IP. Okay, clear. Then I exit from here. Then I make a directory which is etc. I give the password. Then I want to write something in the nano. Now I paste the following configuration into the file. I give my IP number and my host name. After write this, again go to the command board. Okay, then I give the ping. Now I try to ping. Okay, it is successfully pinged. Then I make another directory, Ansible Playbooks. Then I go to this directory. I install the Apache YML. Then I go to my nano. Then paste the command. Then I write out it. Okay. Yeah, I write this. Then I install Apache and ask become pass. Then I check by giving SSH, my username and my IP. Then I check sudo systemctl status apache 2. Then I give my password. Okay, the system is active and running. Then I write the command card http localhost. Okay, I see my localhost. Then I clear it. Then I exit from this machine. Then I update my machine and install wget terraform. For install the terraform, I use this command, and after installed I check the version, then I clear it. Okay, then I make a directory terraform lab. Then I change the directory. Then I go to nano. Then I paste the command. Then I wrote it. Okay, then I check the terraform init. Okay, this is successfully initialized. Then I write the command terraform plan, then terraform apply. Then I give yes. Then I check by using ls. Then I cat example.txt, then clear it. Then I write the command terraform show and terraform destroy. Okay, the destroy is done. This is for today. I completed my task. Thank you so much.